Hello, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel Tech Crave. Today, we're diving into the epicenter of innovation with Apple's latest groundbreaking reveal, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. These new flagships are set to redefine the smartphone landscape, and we're here to unravel all the exciting details. Apple's official announcement. Apple has officially unveiled the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, and the tech world is buzzing with anticipation. Let's break down what Apple has shared in their announcement, starting with the key features and innovations. Number 1. Performance. At the heart of these new iPhones is Apple's A16 Bionic chip, the next chapter in their chipset excellence. With promises of unmatched speed and energy efficiency, these devices are set to deliver an even smoother and more responsive user experience. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing videos, the A16 chip is engineered to excel. Number 2. Camera upgrades. Apple continues to push the boundaries of mobile photography. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max boast an upgraded camera system, including advancements in low-light photography, computational photography, and enhanced optical image stabilization. These devices are poised to capture your world in unprecedented detail and clarity. Number 3. Battery life. Battery life is a top priority for modern smartphone users, and Apple aims to please. With improved power management and potentially larger batteries, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are anticipated to offer impressive endurance. Say goodbye to battery anxiety and hello to all-day, if not multi-day usage. Number 4. Design. Apple's design mastery is on full display once again. While retaining their signature elegance, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max may introduce subtle design refinements. Expect premium materials, striking finishes, and a build that feels as luxurious as it looks. Number 5. Pricing and availability. When it comes to pricing and availability, details can vary by region. Apple is known for offering a range of configurations to cater to different budgets. We'll delve into the pricing strategy, regional variations, and potential trade-in programs to make upgrading to these devices more accessible. Technical specifications. Now that we've covered the first half of Apple's announcement, let's delve deeper into the technical specifications and the impact of these devices on the tech industry. Number 6. Display. The displays of the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are nothing short of spectacular. They feature Apple's Promotion XDR technology, delivering smoother scrolling and stunning color accuracy. The Pro Max flaunts a spacious 6.7-inch screen, while the Pro boasts a 6.1-inch display. Whether you crave immersive media experiences or pocket-friendly portability, Apple's got you covered. Number 7. Connectivity. Connectivity is a cornerstone of modern smartphones, and these iPhones aim to excel. With 5G capabilities, you can expect lightning-fast downloads, low latency, and an overall enhanced internet experience. Apple's commitment to privacy and security extends to their devices, ensuring your data stays in safe hands. Number 8. Software. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will ship with the latest iteration of Apple's iOS, offering a seamless and intuitive user experience. With regular updates and a vast ecosystem of apps, these devices promise longevity and compatibility with future software advancements. Number 9. Storage options. Storage options are crucial for users with varying needs. Apple is expected to provide a range of storage configurations, from ample capacities for multimedia enthusiasts to more budget-friendly options for everyday users. This flexibility ensures you can pick the right device for your digital lifestyle. Number 10. Sustainability. As we embrace cutting-edge technology, sustainability remains a priority. Apple continues its commitment to reducing its environmental impact. These new iPhones are expected to incorporate eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient components, contributing to a greener future. Impact on the tech industry. Now that we've dissected the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max rumors and potential features, let's take a moment to consider the broader implications of these upcoming devices on the tech industry. Number 1. Innovation Catalyst. Apple has a track record of driving innovation in the smartphone industry. Features and technologies introduced by Apple often become industry standards. The iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are likely to continue this trend by setting new benchmarks in performance, photography, and more. Number 2. Competition. Competing smartphone manufacturers will be closely watching Apple's moves. If the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max deliver on the rumored features, it could place pressure on other companies to innovate and match or surpass Apple's offerings. This competition ultimately benefits consumers by pushing the boundaries of what smartphones can do. Number 3. Ecosystem expansion. Apple's ecosystem is a major draw for many users. With each new iPhone release, the ecosystem expands and deepens. If you're already invested in the Apple ecosystem, these new devices could provide even more seamless integration with your other Apple products. Number 4. Market trends. The release of new iPhones also has the potential to influence broader market trends. For example, if Apple emphasizes sustainability and environmental responsibility in their manufacturing and marketing, it could encourage other tech companies to follow suit. In conclusion, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are undoubtedly some of the most anticipated smartphones of the year. While we've discussed numerous rumors and speculations, it's essential to remember that these details are subject to change until Apple's official unveiling. As tech enthusiasts, we're excited about the potential innovations and features these devices may bring. But the most critical factor is how well they meet the needs and expectations of users like you. Are they worth the upgrade? That's a question only you can answer based on your unique preferences and requirements. Be sure to stay tuned to Tech Crave for further updates on the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max as we approach the official launch. We'll be covering every aspect, from the unveiling event to hands-on reviews, so you can make an informed decision when the time comes. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more exciting tech news and insights with you in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, tech on!